Oh, there's 3 guys on that house.
Oh yeah, I see that, dude.
Yeah, look at them all. We're ready for war! I hope they fucking shoot at it and fucking blows their house
like,
up.
rocket it down.
Fucks their house.
Have you seen that? It shoots rockets at their house if you...
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does, it does. If you shoot at it from your house, it'll fucking shoot rockets at you. And blow your fucking house up, like, fast.
Yeah, dude.
That's amazing.
It's crazy. It is like siege there.
Amazing, dude. I want to see someone with a big ass house like start shooting it, just fucking rocket that shit. Dude, I'm gonna go get on someone's house like that we don't like, and just shoot at it from their house.
You need to play this smart and get behind walls because it fucks you up.
Yeah, I have a wall down. I have a wall, so.
Yeah.
Well, I guess since I'm like naked, I can loot other people, so it like
That it kills.
Yeah, that it shoots.
Yo, I saw Kosher in the server. Like, why didn't he come to play?
Oh yeah, he
That
hit me
the
up.
geared guy to the right? That guy naked.
Naked
to
in
the
there.
right.
Naked.
2 of them over there.
Alright guys, here we go.
Don't go on like a very high slant because you might not be able to place your wall and you get fucking destroyed by that thing.
Is it gonna shoot me right away?
Yeah, it shoots at
Yeah.
geared people. It focuses geared people.
Oh god. Do I start shooting it? What up?
Put your bed up.
Put my bed down right now?
Yeah. Ooh, I just got hit hard. I don't know if that was in front of me.
Yeah,
or
it's
behind
light
me.
Xonar. It's light Xonar. I have no clue where it is. Someone else shooting at it over here. Fucking I walled, dude, I walled. Yo, it's fucking my wall up. What?
Oh, I'm getting hit by bolts behind me.
Yo, dude, it's wrecking my wall. Where is it?
Behind us, behind us.
It's still shooting at me, dude. It's nutty. Just fucking around this wall,
Rockets. Oh my god! I'm dead, dude!
It fucking rocketed the fucking
It rocketed the wall.
Holy shit.
What happened? It just rocketed the wall?
Yeah, it fucking wasted, and then it flew by and fucking
I'm
ripped
dead.
me too.
As soon as I spawned in my bag, it killed me.
Really? Oh
It
my
rocketed our
god.
fucking wall, dude.
Nakers are gonna get their shit right now. Fuck.
No, it's shitting on everybody right now, dude.
I'm here, but somebody else hit me. Oh, I'm dead. Fuck. Some kid's killing everybody over there. Fuck. That sucks, man. Yo, it fucked you up so fast. I watched it blow you up.
Yeah, I was full health, dude, and all of a sudden, boom, 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 boom. I was like, what?
Damn, man. And
Like,
you know,
it wasn't really shitting
it
on
flew
me,
past really fast and fucking wasted me, like, insta-dead. It was like...
Yeah, it wasn't really hitting me at all,